All right, here we are in video 3 of lesson 11. This one's going to be fairly short. We're looking at numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5 in your book. And once again, we have the lengths and the widths of rectangles, and we are going to find the area. So go ahead and multiply length times width to find the area. Now, sometimes you'll have a rectangle or even a square. You don't know which one is the length, which one is the width. Does it matter? No, because this is multiplication. The order is not important. You're just multiplying one side by the other side. Okay, so go ahead and do that now. Remember, when we multiply fractions, we're multiplying the numerators and the denominators straight across, just like that. And remember that your answers are in units squared. Okay, double check that I didn't make any mistakes because I am known to do that. And then I just have a couple questions about the answers. Looking at number 4, 21/12. I don't know about in your class. In my class, we have to solve this because it's more than one, right? So our numerator is supposed to be smaller than our denominator. Otherwise, it's an improper fraction. It's so improper. So this would be 1 3/12, right? We can see right here, 12/12 would be 3 left over. There are other ways to solve it. I just like to look inside, subtract 15 minus 12. 21/12, right? So that would be 1, 12, 21 minus 12. Or count up 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 9. I should have been able to think of that on my own, but sometimes it's better just to count up. And 15/18, the 15 is smaller than 18, so we're okay. Now look at number 4 again, right? 21/12, 1 9/12. Why is this answer more than 1? We want to make sure it's reasonable, right? Do you notice that 3/2 is more than 1 and 7/6 is more than 1? Sometimes my students want to change these before they even multiply, but better to leave it as an improper fraction before we multiply and then change it to a mixed number afterwards. We change it to a mixed number so that it's easier to think about, right? If I said, do you want 21/12 of my money? You'd be like, oh, 1 9/12? Yeah, that's more than all of my money. Better if we say that about pizza, right? Okay, so it's multiplying by more than 1, so it's going to equal more than 1. All right, what about number 2? Let's look at number 2, 10/18. Why is the area less? Why is the area less than 2/3 square units here? Because we're multiplying 2/3 by a fraction less than 1, so our area is going to be less. Interesting, right? And why is it less also than 5/6 units? Because we're multiplying 5/6 by a fraction less than 1, so it's going to be less than 5/6. Okay, something to think about. And that is the end of lesson 11. I'll see you in lesson 12. Thank you for your hard work. Aloha.